What are the real Russian losses in its war against Ukraine? Let's do the math. Ukraine turned 3,000 Russian tanks into scrap metal. If piled up, these trophies now could make up to 15 Empire State Buildings. The Russian Navy was crippled as well. The sunken flagship Moskva alone cost $750 million. This sum could get you a dozen of private islands in the Bahamas. The Kremlin also kissed goodbye to 278 military jets and 261 helicopters. The tons of waste could make a scrapyard the size of 15 football pitches. In just 9 months, Russian generals lost 100,000 troops. It's 8 times more than the Soviets lost in 9 years of the Afghan War. The grim count is mounting, which means more battered, wasted equipment and wasted human lives. For Moscow.